How to make a funny background video for Zoom. Hi, I'm Eric from Educute, and what's this guy doing here? I'm Eric from Educute, and today I'm going to show you how to make a funny video background for Zoom. It's very easy and simple to do, and I think it's better if it's only one of us. You've probably seen this video of this man pranking his colleagues on this Zoom meeting. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own video background for Zoom. It's very simple. All you need is Windows and Zoom. I'm going to show you how to record it, how to edit it, and how to put the video in your meeting. First, what you want to do is you want to record yourself on Zoom. So you just go here, you click record. Now it's recording. And this is your opportunity to make the background video that you want to shoot. Let's make one. Now you have to edit it. So just go to stop recording. The recorded file will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends, and you say end. You'll see that it says here video recorded. But you still need to edit the start and the end of the video. Let me quickly show you how to do it on Windows. All you do is you go here, you say video editor, and this is on Windows. It's very easy to use. Say new project, let's say Zoom background, say okay, and then we're going to go here to documents, go to Zoom, go to the final video that you have. You'll see it says audio only playback Zoom. You put in the Zoom file over here. So let's add this in. Now it's recording, and this is your opportunity to make the background video that you want to shoot. You want to trim this out. So you're going to go here to trim. It'll show you the video, and you're going to make this shorter. We're going to cut out that first part, and then we also don't want the end part where I come back. So I'm just going to end that, and then I say done, and now you see it's 24 seconds long. Going to say finish video, highest quality export. Let's just save it on the desktop as Zoom background 1. You restart Zoom. We open Zoom here, we say new meeting. All you do is you go to video, you choose virtual background, and then you want to go here to image or video. You add video. Then on desktop we saved it as Zoom background 1, open, and because it is silent you won't hear the noises that I make. There we go. You've got a funny background that you can use with Zoom. If you would like more Zoom videos or videos about teaching, check out my channel and please like and subscribe.